We're deeply honoured to welcome you, Dr. Abdullah, and colleagues to the University.
Your values of passion, which are values for mankind, and you cherish it. And those who attend the university and learn here, it's not just one part of education, but it's the main part of it, which is passion and spirituality. That makes me even happier. Oh, they are lucky in this environment, with the values that were described, or the university students in the United Kingdom. They are all lucky. They are in different roles. They should see this as a blessing, and see what they can do for those who were deprived, who don't have these chances, who don't enjoy these opportunities, and see how they can contribute to the mankind, what they can do for their family, for their country, but much more than that. And they have the chance. They have this is their moment, and the future is theirs. Make the right choices. Not to be afraid of making mistakes. Once you make mistakes, don't repeat it, and be hopeful.